You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this dog breed name, because other videos on the internet and YouTube included pronounce it incorrectly. We're going to be looking at how to say more dog breed names as well at the end of the video. I'll link to them, so stay tuned. I know some say Biewer. This is a name from German, okay? Terrier. Terrier is how you say the general dog name. But in German, it's pronounced Beaver, yes, because I-E is pronounced E and W is pronounced like a V, okay? So I know it sounds like beaver. It's not really a beaver, but that's a German name. Beaver is how the Germans would say. Beaver Terrier or Terrier or Terrier in French. Beaver Terrier or Beaver Terrier. How do you pronounce it yourself? Was this any useful? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.